Hi everyone, my name is Joanna Ocabula.
Ako nga pala si Daniel Nathaniel Laigo at kasama ako sa ipe-present namin sa group na ito.
Hi, my name is John Lulim from 1C.
My name is Nixon Nesperos, BSAMT 1C.
Ako nga pala si Jerwin Astro.
My name is Aris Daniel R. Marcela from 1C.
Energy resources.
Energy is the capacity to do work. All forms of life, particularly humans, need energy to perform life processes. Likewise, energy is required to enable machines to function. An energy resource is something that can produce heat, power life, move objects, or produce electricity. Most of the energy being used today came from fossil fuels. Fossil fuel is biomass energy buried within the earth where it is stored until humans extract and burn it to release the energy. Among these sources are petroleum, oil shale, tar sands, and coal. Currently, society relies mostly on fossil fuels for energy. 39% natural gas, 24% natural gas, 23% coal, 8% nuclear, and 6% other. Energy sources can be classified into renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are unlimited natural resources that can be replenished in a short period of time. On the other hand, non-renewable resources are limited natural resources that cannot be remade or regrown in a short amount of time at a scale comparable to its consumption.
Alternative energy resources.
Alternative energy sources are energy sources that are not derived from fossil fuels such as oil or coal. They are generally renewable and non-polluting, and are being developed to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and promote more environmentally friendly practices.
Solar energy.
Solar energy. Solar energy is energy derived from the sun's light forming electromagnetic waves, which are converted to electrical or mechanical energy. Solar power is a reliable and safe alternative energy source today because it produces free heat and free electricity without producing and releasing harmful carbon dioxide. The solar farm in Calatagan, Batangas, the largest solar facilities in Luzon, generates heat from the sun, providing power. According to developer Solar Philippines, the solar farm consisted of over 200,000 panels on a 160 hectares property and could supply enough power for the entire western Batangas.
Hydroelectric energy.
Hydroelectric energy, a power and renewable source. Hydroelectric energy, also known as hydropower, is a form of renewable energy that harnesses the power of moving water to generate electricity. This technology has been used for centuries with ancient civilization, utilizing water wheels for tasks like grinding grain. Hydropower is a major source of electricity worldwide, accounting for 18% global power generation capacity. Hydroelectric power works. Hydroelectric power plants typically operate by using dams to create a reservoir of water at a higher elevation. This stored water processes potential energy, which is converted into kinetic energy as it flows downhill through a system of pipe called penstock. Type of hydroelectric power plants. Impoundment facilities. These are the most common types, utilizing dams to create reservoir and control water flow. Diversion facilities. These plants do not use dams but instead divert water from a river through a series of canals to power turbines. Pump storage facilities. These plants store energy by pumping water uphill to higher reservoir during period of low electricity demand.
Geothermal energy.
Geothermal energy is energy that comes from the heat inside of the earth. The underground heat is produced by the presence of the molten rock called magma. The underground water is heated up by the heated rocks, and the steam released is harvested by geothermal heat pumps. Geothermal energy is limited to areas of known thermal activity, or mainly recently active volcanic areas. Geothermal power plants draws from the underground reservoirs of hot water. The steam is used to drive turbines of a generator which produces energy. The Philippine Geothermal Power Plant in Negros Oriental is one of the renewable energy industries in the country. Also, it ranks second among other providers of geothermal power in the world.
Wind energy.
Wind energy is clean energy derived from wind. It is harvested offshore and onshore by large wind turbines. Wind turbines use the momentum of moving air to frequently turn large blades that are attached to the shaft of an efficient generator. Wind power is converted to mechanical or electrical energy. Wind power is limited to areas with high consistent winds, and so is limited to very specific areas.
Biomass energy.
Biomass represents the green fuel obtained from non-fossilized, biodegradable organic waste materials like wood, certain crops, green algae, manure, agricultural products, forestry residues, and organic waste. These materials are burned to create steam from a centralized water source, which then turns a turbine so that energy can be created. Biomass energy can be converted into stable forms of heat and electricity. Biomass is considered a cheaper renewable energy source because this regrow and waste will always exist as long as there is life on Earth. Power station that uses biomass to generate clean electricity will consume at least 75 tons of biomass every hour to generate about 50 megawatt of green energy. The Biomass project in San Carlos City is a power plant with a generation capacity of 18 megawatt, supplying baseload power to the local grid. The biomass facility uses agricultural waste such as sugarcane trash, coconut husk and shells, wood, grasses, and other energy crops from dedicated plantations as feedstock.
Ocean energy.
Ocean energy is derived from tidal current or wave energy, which is converted into mechanical energy or electrical energy. About 71.11% of the Earth is covered by water bodies, especially oceans.
Renewable energy sources and its advantages and disadvantages.
Renewable energy sources offer a compelling alternative to traditional fossil fuels, boasting numerous advantages that benefit the environment, economy, and society as a whole. This response will delve into the key benefits of renewable energy, exploring their impact on various aspects of our lives. Number 1. Environmental advantages. Renewable energy sources are lauded for their environmental friendliness, making them a crucial component of mitigating climate change and promoting a sustainable future. Number 1. Reduce greenhouse gas emission. Renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower generate electricity with minimal to zero greenhouse gas emission, unlike fossil fuels, which contribute significantly to global warming. This reduction in carbon footprint helps curb climate change and devastating effects on the planet. Number 2. Cleaner air quality. By reducing reliance on fossil fuels, renewable energy sources contribute to cleaner air quality. Fossil fuels combustion release harmful pollutants like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and particulate matter, which contribute to respiratory illnesses, acid rain, and smog. Renewable energy helps mitigate these pollutants, leading to improved public health. Number 3. Preservation of natural sources. Renewable energy sources are inexhaustible, unlike fossil fuels, which are finite and depleting. This ensures a sustainable energy supply for future generations without compromising the planet's natural resources. Ang susunod naman ay economic advantages. Renewable energy not only benefits environment but also offers significant economic advantages, contributing to job creation, energy independence, and price stability. Number 1. Job creation. The renewable energy sector is a rapidly growing industry, creating numerous jobs in manufacturing, installation, maintenance, and research. This economic activity boosts local economies and provides employment opportunities in various fields. Number 2. Energy independence. Renewable energy source allow countries to reduce their reliance on imported fossil fuels, enhancing energy security and independence. This reduces vulnerability to global energy market fluctuation and geopolitical instability. Number 3. Stable energy price. Once installed, renewable energy sources have relative low operating costs, resulting in more stable and predictable energy price for consumer. This contrasts with fossil fuels whose price fluctuate due to market volatility and source scarcity. Ang susunod naman ay social advantage. Renewable energy sources are also contribute to social well-being, promoting community development, empowering local population, enhancing public health. Number 1. Community development. Renewable energy projects often involve local communities, fostering economic development and creating opportunities for local business. This empowers communities and strengthens societies. Number 2. Public health benefits. Cleaner air, water resulting from reduced fossil fuels reliance significantly improve public health. This translates to lower healthcare costs and healthier population. Ang conclusion naman ay the advantage of renewable energy sources are multifaceted, encompassing environmental, economic, and social benefits. They offer a sustainable pathway to a cleaner, healthier, and more prosperous future. As technology continues to advance and cost decrease, renewable energy is poised to play increasingly prominent role in meeting global energy demands.
The disadvantages of renewable energy resources. Higher upfront costs. While using renewable resources, energy sound inexpensive, the technologies are typically more expensive upfront than traditional energy generators. To combat this, there are often financial incentives such as credits and rebates available to help alleviate your initial cost of renewable technology. 2. Intermittency. Though renewable energy resources are available around the world, many of these resources are not available 24/7 year-round. Some days may be winter than others. The sun does not shine at night, and drought may occur for a period of time. There can be unpredictable weather events that disrupt these technologies. In contrast, fossil fuels are not intermittent and can be turned on or off at any given time. 3. Storage capabilities. The intermittency of some renewable energy sources require a high need for energy storage. While there are storage technologies available today, they can be expensive, especially for large-scale renewable energy plants. Energy storage capacity is growing as the technology progresses and batteries are becoming more affordable as time goes on. 4. Geographic limitation. Some countries like the United States have diverse geography with varying climates, topographies, vegetation, and more. This creates a beautiful melting pot of landscape, but it also means that there are some geographies that are more suitable for renewable technologies than others. For example, a large farm with open space may be a great place for a residential wind turbine or a solar energy system, while a townhome in a city covered in shade from taller buildings wouldn't be to reap the benefits of either technology on their property. 5. A few issues caused by wind turbines are disturbing. In some places, the rapid rotation of the turbines can kill birds and bats that fly in the area. Likewise, some wind turbines are generating noise that can affect the people that live close to the wind farm. Overall, the use of alternative sources of energy will provide energy security, as well as economic and local development. There are challenges and barriers in the utilization of said sources of energy such as high upfront and technology costs, non-competitiveness, non-viable markets, inaccessible financial packages, and its social acceptability. The Philippine government has enacted two landmark laws to address such barriers. 1. Republic Act No. 9367, also known as the Biofuels Act of 2006, which provides fiscal incentives and mandate the use of biofuel blended gasoline and diesel fuels. 2. Republic Act No. 9513, also known as the Renewable Energy Act of 2008, which is a way of accelerating the development of the country's renewable energy resources by providing fiscal and non-fiscal incentives to private sector investors and equipment manufacturers or suppliers.
That's all for our topic. Alternative energy resources.